Mengibar's filling technology ensures an accurate filling of hair care and body care products. The filler monitors each filling station. The monoblock design facilitates a quick and easy cleaning process, featuring a 360 degrees CAP collecting tray that automates cleaning, reducing downtime between product changeovers. Quick and tool-free changeovers of bottle and cap formats operated through a user-friendly HMI touchscreen panel. Mengibar addresses the challenge of capping snap-on oval-shaped caps, incorporating a vision system to identify the orientation of the cap in the pick-and-place star wheel. This solution enhances efficiency, reliability, and flexibility, meeting specific customer needs and emphasizing ongoing collaboration for success in the competitive manufacturing landscape.